Ford, Honda, Nissan, VW, Audi. All these cars share one problem, and it comes down to a single word. A word that forces you to ask,
Why does my car radio suddenly show code or safe and refuse to play? First, relax. That message doesn't mean your radio is broken. It means the radio's anti-theft protection has activated. Automakers add this protection so a stolen radio won't work in another car without the correct unlock code. It's a security feature, not a failure. So when does this happen? The most common triggers are a battery disconnect or replacement, a total power loss while working on the vehicle, removal of the radio for service, or sometimes a blown fuse or electrical fault. If the radio loses its power or internal memory, the anti-theft logic kicks in and the unit asks for the code. You'll see messages like code, safe, or lock. Different brands use slightly different wording, but the idea is the same. Where do you find the code? There are three usual places: your vehicle owner's manual or paperwork. Some manufacturers print the radio code on the manual. The dealership, they can supply the code, usually for a fee. Or the fastest way, online unlock services where you provide your radio serial number and receive the unlock code instantly. If you'd like a quick, reliable solution, visit radiocodefor.com. Enter your radio serial and get the unlock code in minutes. I'll link it below. One more practical tip. Before you disconnect a battery or work on electricals, write down your radio serial or check your paperwork. It saves time later.
In many cases, you only need to partially remove it, just enough to make the serial number label visible, without needing to disconnect any cables.
Code or safe equals anti-theft protection. It's normal, fixable, and you don't always need to pay a dealer to fix it. Visit radiocodefor.com to quickly generate your radio's unlock code by serial number. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Radio Code. We publish practical car radio and audio system walkthroughs every week. Click subscribe and the bell so you don't miss future guides. Links and step-by-step resources are in the description below.